Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix THERMOMIX TM7 Error 25 mixing knife blocked. First of all, ensure that on the inside of the bowl there are no ingredients that are too hard and in like too large pieces, which means if you have hard ingredients in large pieces, you either need to try increasing the speed so that the knife doesn't block on it, and chop it with the knife, or take the ingredients out and chop them manually with a knife to ensure that the knife doesn't get stuck on them. That especially applies to frozen ingredients. So you may want to first like crush them or chop them with like a higher speed, about a speed of like 6 through 8. And for a few seconds, up to like 20 seconds, and then try doing whatever you're doing. But if it didn't help, maybe the knife is jammed. But before we get to that, also remember that you shouldn't overload the bowl. The bowl has a maximum level of 2.2 liters and it's marked right here. And you shouldn't exceed that. If you get to more than 2.2 liters, it may jam your mixing knife. Now let me show you how to remove the jam if it occurs, if the mixing knife can't move even if there's nothing on the inside. For that, you should disassemble the bowl by switching this switch on the left side, like that. Then you can first remove the mixing knife, and basically you only need to remove the mixing knife. So let's do it. Then you can look on the inside and ensure there's no debris stuck in there. And then make sure that your knife, be careful with it, hold it here on the top, and then ensure this part can rotate. The one with this green seal. Make sure it can smoothly rotate. As you rotate it, make sure it moves in a smooth way. Also ensure that the seal is installed correctly. It doesn't have any wear on itself, and that there's no debris under the seal. I've removed the seal. Check if it's not worn out. If it is, you may need to replace it. Then put it back on, and now you can put the knife back in. If that doesn't help, of course, after putting the knife back in, make sure you put it all the way in. So not like that, it's too wiggly now. Gotta rotate it a few times, try to fit it. There are these like notches here, and they need to align with these parts here. You can see it's kind of like a triangle because it has these 3 like deeper cutouts. Now let's lock the bowl. It requires a bit of force to turn this switch, and then try seeing if it helps by simply trying to do something, preferably with no ingredients, in a manual mode. You could add water though, and do like, I don't know, like 1 rotation, like the 1 speed, and let's try to put it on. Okay, now try doing it and see if the knife can rotate properly. So if you set it to so try setting it for a moment to that speed, and then try increasing the speed, and you'll probably hear it. Or just put something inside after some time and see if putting something inside like actually will move it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.